Hi, I'm Neil Sutton, editor of SP&T News. Welcome to ISC West 2018. So if there's one trend that stands out above all others this year, it's AI. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, particularly with camera manufacturers that are trying to leverage more video information for their customers. These solutions are designed to not only help businesses act more quickly on security concerns, but also improve their operations. Another major trend this year is the evolution of the smart home. ISC West is once again showcasing a connected home pavilion with solutions designed to improve not only home security, but device integration across multiple platforms. I also attended ASSA ABLOY's press conference this year, and one of the key takeaways is that home security is outpacing business security in terms of innovation. The Unmanned Security Expo also returns to ISC West this year with drones and robots, a growing area of interest this year as companies investigate new ways to automate their security operations. So for all the news from ISC West, visit www.sptnews.ca and be sure to read our special wrap-up edition as well.